Hello, I am part of Network Jungle family and I like to welcome you to CCNA routing and switching. Let's begin. Today we will discuss and configure the Ether channel. Before that, why we need the redundancy? On infrastructure, there is the redundancy to avoid failover as well as to increase the bandwidth for faster throughput. Redundancy can be formed connected by the multiple links between the devices to increase the throughput range. What is the main difference between the STP and the Ether channel? When multiple paths connected between the single devices, it can occur the loops and the network got disturbed. In 1988, spanning tree protocol is a loop prevention network protocol that allows for redundancy while creating a loop-free layer 2 topology. In Ether channel, to form the link aggregation topology, IEEE 802.3 AD that allow redundancy links between the devices as well as it will be not blocked by the STP protocol. Ether channel can be classified into two types. One is the host aggregation protocol and second one is the link aggregation protocol. Host aggregation protocol is a Cisco proprietary protocol. It can be used only the Cisco devices. Link aggregation protocol is used to form the Ether channel between the multiple vendors like Cisco to Juniper, Cisco to HP, whatever it may be. Let's see. So before going to the topology, Ether channel can be formed by using maximum 8 ports. For example, you took the fast Ethernet, it can support 100 Mbps. So maximum ports can be to form the Ether channel is 8. You get maximum throughput 800 megabits per second. Or it took the gigabit Ethernet port, it can support single interface 1 gigabits per second. Here you can form maximum 8 ports, you get the data rate 8 gigabits per second. Here I configure the 3 interface to verify the Ether channel configuration. I need the 2 switches to take the here I use the model 2960. For same device you need to connect the crossover cable. You can see first we need to the spanning tree protocol. It can block the loopings. Go to the CLI. So spanning tree. There is no spanning tree exists between the devices. Once we connected the cable between the switches, it can form the spanning tree. 00143 B6 MAC address of first switch 0010 00E0. This one take the root bits. If you have any doubt, please refer the previous topic to know about the spanning tree protocol. Now we connect the cable between the 2 switches. You can see 00143 B6 00C4. So this bridge is the root bridge, and this port is the designated port, and this port is the root port. You can verify the comments showing spanning tree. Here you can see root port, then cost of the port is 19. It is the forward shade. Root bridge is the root ID is the switch to 001. 00E0 is the highest MAC address. First it take the priority value of the which one having the lower priority. It took the root bridge. Both the priority value are same. Next it go to the MAC address. Switch to having the lower MAC address. It take the root bridge. Again I have to connect the one more cable. I can forward. It can black. You can see. I can disable the interface. You can see one block is blocked. I will find this command. So spanning tree. Alternate port. So alternate port is status is blocked. I can again connect one more interface. I connected the first three interface of the fast Ethernet on the left side switch, and again right side of also I have connected the first interface. Automatically it can block the ports. By default spanning tree protocol it blocks the loop to avoid the net to disturb. Now we configure the Etherchannel configuration. Before that we need to create the VLAN. So I create the 3 VLAN. After that you can form the Etherchannel for first 3 ports. It automatically, once configure the Etherchannel, it automatically goes to the green color. So channel group, mode. I already told Etherchannel having the 2 categories. One is the auto, it is the PAGP protocol. Disable also PAGP protocol. LACP is the active passive. On is the both. Now one side I use the auto. Automatically port will be turned down and turned up. Interface, port channel. Switch port, mode trunk, switch port, trunk, allowed, VLAN 10, 20, 30. Channel group 1 mode is related to the port channel configuration. Now we verify the comments. So running interface. Port channel 1 we can configure the switch mode trunk, switch trunk allowed, VLAN 10, 20, 30. Automatically it can be copied to the fast Ethernet 1, fast Ethernet 2, fast Ethernet 3. If we need, we can configure the 4th interface also. Just simply adding the channel group 1 mode auto. Here we need to add the right side also. Still it is blocked. So both side we need to configure the port channel, ether channel configuration. Before that we need to create the VLAN, name 80, VLAN 20, name sales, VLAN 30, name admin. After that, interface range fast Ethernet 0, 1, 2, 3. You can see alternate port will be changed once we configure the ether channel. Channel group 1 mode. Then left side we configure the auto, then right side we need to configure the desirable. If both the side we configure the auto means it does not work. Now you can see all the ports will be changed state to down. Interface port channel 1, switch mode, trunk, allow VLAN 10, 20, 30. So the packet travels between the ports to exchange the ether channel informations. After some time, it changes state to green color and it becomes the ether channel formation. We can maximum configure up to 8 ports. For example, fast Ethernet, you can get the 800 megabits per second, or gigabit Ethernet means you can get the 8 Gbps. You can see previously it shows the yellow color. By default, STP protocol blocks the redundant loops. Now ether channel can overcome the STP protocols. How to verify the comments? So interface port channel 1. You can see port channel 1 line protocol is up, then MAC address of the channel, bandwidth rate. I have connected the 3 fast Ethernet. So single fast Ethernet can support the 100 Mbps. So 300 megabits per second. Increased. megabits per second. Next one is the ether channel summary. You can see first port, second port, then third port. It is the PAGP protocol, port channel 1. Next verification command is the ether channel, port channel. So group 1, port channel 1, and the port will be up from 9 milliseconds. Number of ports connected, the 3 ports. Then port channel 1, protocol PAGP. Port security is not enabled. We will see a later topic. Then last command interface is the show interface Etherchannel. Port state, channel group, log states, timer, creative value. You can see separate interface. And right side also we can verify the same command. So interface port channel 1. It is the half duplex. Then second one is the main requirement. So both sides having the same duplex settings. So if it is half duplex, then both sides having the half duplex, as well as the both sides having the same port data rate. For example, left side having the fast Ethernet, then right side also fast Ethernet. Left side having the gigabit Ethernet means right side having the gigabit Ethernet. Otherwise, it got collapsed. Maximum throughput is 300 megabits per second. So, Etherchannel summary. PAGP. Here I need to explain the PAGP and LACP. PAGP is the Cisco Proprietary Protocol, LACP is the Cisco plus multi-vendor. Then switch 1. Here, so both sides having the, you can configure the channel group 1 on both sides, it will work, or otherwise one side you need to configure auto, and then another side you need to configure the desirable. Or one side, both side you need to configure the desirable. This side also desirable. Likewise, this also on both sides the switch, channel group 1 mode on. Here you need to configure the active passive. Or you both sides having the configured auto means it does not work. Here both sides you configured the passive means it does not work. So that's why you can differentiate the color. It will work, it will work, it will work. It does not work. So on means this mode force the interface to channel without LACP. Interface configured in the on mode does not exchange the packets. Then active means it can insert the negotiation with the other ports by sending the LACP packets. For active. If passive means this port is the passive negotiating states, it does not generate the LACP packet, it can respond only the packets. Likewise auto can generate the LACP packets to auto negotiation between the ports. Disable is the only the responding states. I hope you can understand the concept, and I want to thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like and join the adventure journey in network jungles. Let's see the next video.